Most people get this wrong. They assume Instant USA Wallet is just another digital wallet or BNPL app. The surprising truth in 2026 is that it combines fast cash access, digital payments, and financial tracking into one convenient platform for everyday and emergency use. Here's how it works. Instant USA Wallet allows you to request small cash advances, pay bills, and manage digital transactions all in one app. Funds are often available within hours, helping you cover urgent expenses or split larger payments into manageable installments. Notifications and reminders keep you on track, making it easier to avoid late fees. The app also provides insights into your spending. You can see upcoming payments, track total obligations, and adjust your budget as needed. This makes it more than a wallet, it's a financial management tool for short-term planning. The downside, overuse of cash advances or relying on the wallet for routine expenses can be costly. It's best used for emergencies or planned purchases. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only request advances you can repay on time. 2. Track upcoming payments carefully. 3. Use budgeting features to avoid overspending. Who benefits most? Users who want a combination of digital payments, cash advances, and budgeting tools in one place. Those prone to overspending or irregular income may face added fees. In conclusion, Instant USA Wallet in 2026 is convenient, versatile, and practical, but only when used wisely. Use it for emergencies, track spending, and plan repayments carefully. Subscribe for honest app reviews and practical money guidance.